I've been a teacher since the past 5 years. This includes both offline and online. In my current role, I've been since around 18 months. Currently, I'm an ICT and a creative student.
It will make the students to be an effective thinker, problem solving skills.
This design thinking, STEM learning, it helps them not just with everyday life problems that they face, it helps them in education. Like if they're doing math problems, they're doing science, the way of thinking, how they approach the problem will be changed working on these problems.
Used for more than 8 years.
In our school, it started very recently. Last July, it started, and from October, we have the lab. But children have picked up very fast, so they're able to work on IoT projects recently.
To be an effective and enthusiastic Kriya Chintan.
I am conducting classes for grade 6 children in the Kriya Lab, and my role mostly is to try to make them think beyond what is already in classrooms. They're expected to think a certain way. Question is given, you have to answer in a certain manner. But in Kriya Lab, at least, I try to inspire them to think beyond the book. Don't just look at the problem statement and think of copy each other. Think innovatively and uniquely. Individual thinking should happen.
Students are likely to be more interested in hands-on practical sessions and capstone.
So we recently had a science fair in the school called Alpha to Omega. 3 months had passed since the lab had started, but children came up with their own ideas. We had not done the smoke sensor, motion sensor at that point, but children wanted to do their own research, come up with a smoke sensor volcano project and a burglar alarm system. They did the research. We were there to help, but they came up. It was very happy.
My aspiration is to ignite curiosity and to empower problem solving skill in students.
As an innovation coach, I would say I would like to help children change their thought process. Like school is a place children just come that, okay, I have to study this, get marks, exam, that's the pattern. But we can do beyond that. Maybe rethink everything they see, think of better ways to look at things, solve them. Not problems, I would say just problem solving, but even rethink things around them and become innovators in their own life.
AI and robotics.
As of now, the IoT I'm working with, so the breadboard, making the circuit connections and doing
Innovation coach.
STEM learning facilitator because it has the word STEM in it, and I would like to eventually become women in STEM. So that's the STEM word I like, STEM facilitator.